How to hide and unhide chats on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your Snapchat application and then open it. Now, go to the chat section. After that, find the chat that you want to hide from your Snapchat chat section. Tap and hold on it. Now you will find chat and notification settings. Go over there. Then you will find clear from chat feed. Tap on it. Confirm clearing, and as you can see, now the chat is cleared. Now in order to unhide it, what you will have to do is simply go to search and then find that person's username, and then if you cannot find it, go to your profile icon, go to my friends and see their friend over there, and then you can open it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.